Now we will give some finishing touch to our templates. So let's go back to our PyCharm. Here we have some code at the top of our home.html. So we will be adjusting this code inside our home.html that we have copied from Bootstrap. So we have copied a for loop and we'll be pasting it inside the container div class. Then it's a chance for and for. We will be clicking it, copying it and pasting it after the div. It's a second div. Then it will be going for anchor tag, then scroll down to here. Instead of free, we'll be pasting here in h4 tag. Now we have to see so here we need to delete this. There is a no use of text muted, so we will delete this. Instead of this, we will go over and will copy and we will put car.model in h1 tag. Instead of model, we will be writing owner because car model and then car owner. Now here we will be taking car.number because we will be giving each detail of our car. So let's paste it over inside li. Here these kind of informations are not related, so we will be pasting over here. Now car.year-old, let's go inside. Instead of, now we will delete this 2 GB. car.year-old. Here we will paste. Then we will take and we will complete our if statement. Now car.description, we will paste instead of email support and we will delete this center access. Now here we are done with it and we will delete the above code. Now our home.html file is ready. Now we will save the file and then we will go to Chrome. As our server is still running, reload our page, localhost, that's it. Wow, we got a site. But here we are getting this sign up for free button everywhere. We need to delete this. So let's go back to our PyCharm. Here, sign up for free. So here I will delete it. Ctrl+S, Chrome, reload our page. Great, we got a site. Here, let's go above. Car service. Here we got its services like AC service, inspection and maintenance, engine service, electronic system service. Every kind of service we can get in our workshop. Here we can get the cars, I guess picture is looking good, and it's information. Now if we click on Acura, we can get what kind of services we have given to this card particularly. So hopefully you like our website. Now please do like and subscribe my videos, and here my whole complete series ends. Thank you.